What's going on, guys? I am John Rettinger, and welcome to AGT Tech Motivation and YouTube channel. Enjoy.
It's not that often when your mentor comes on your channel and gives the intro statement. So what is up, guys? Welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, I think I'm extremely grateful to have my mentor come on my YouTube channel. Okay, so John Rettinger now has over 1.57 million subscribers, and I'm really touched to myself. Like, a person with, so much busy schedule even took time for, a small little time for me and just for filming a short little video for my channel, which just has 1,400 subscribers. So I'm extremely grateful for this. And so guys, in today's video I'm going to be telling you the latest updates and everything you need to know about the iPhone SE2. So I'm going to be starting with the display, the pricing, the new type of camera which is going to be there, and again overall everything you need to know from its pricing and everything. So today's video is going to be very special. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now let me discuss everything about the iPhone SE2. Well guys, the iPhone SE2 is going to be a refresh of the iPhone 8 design. Okay, the exact same housing or the chassis of the iPhone 8 is going to be there with the iPhone SE2 with internal upgrades. So there is not going to be any headphone jack sadly, but again you are also having a bigger display than the earlier iPhone SE. Again, this is going to be a 4.7-inch LCD Retina display, and again I would just say one thing, that this might not be a bezel-less display, but again I think for the pricing it's incredible. And now let me come to the pricing of the iPhone SE2, and that is expected to be $399. Yes guys, $399, and we know about its pricing since months, but the thing which I want to discuss in today's video is the India pricing. Okay, it was expected earlier, I have made a video that its pricing might be 28,000 Indian rupees. Because if you convert $399 into Indian rupees, it is 228,000 somewhat. So guys, but just I also want to point out one thing, that recently iPhone 11 was out. So its pricing in United States was $649, and in India its pricing was 64,900 rupees. So just basically Apple is multiplying the dollar rate by 100 rupees. Okay, $1 is equal to 100 rupees. So just continuing this legacy, it is expected that the iPhone SE2 might have a pricing of 39,900 Indian rupees. And like 39,000, it's an incredible pricing for this smartphone. Because in short, it is just a refresh of the iPhone 8. Okay, iPhone 8 is now available for 35 to 40,000 rupees, and just investing such a big amount again just for an internal upgrade and for a camera module, I really don't see it making sense. But again, the dollar pricing, I think it's kind of reasonable, but the Indian pricing is I think a little more. And now let me come to the internal specifications. Well, first of all, let me tell you, Apple is going to be opting for a bigger battery life with this smartphone. Yes guys, Apple is somehow or the other going to be planning for a bigger battery life, and also the logic board is going to be having the A13 Bionic. The current Apple's the CPU or the SoC is going to be there with the iPhone SE2, and it is going to be, I think like it's very simple. I have already explained in my all of the videos that the current, the A13 Bionic is a 7nm CPU. So how much smaller the CPU, that much less battery it will consume, and that will more efficiency it will provide. So I think it's good to see that Apple opting for the A13 Bionic. So guys, now let me talk about its launch date. When it is expected the iPhone SE2 is going to be coming in the first quarter of 2020, and the first quarter means this time span from March to April. Okay, from first week of March to the first week of April, this is the time span in which the iPhone SE2 is supposed to arrive, and also it makes perfect sense because currently the iPhone XR and the iPhone 11 are selling like crazy, and till March, the sales might come to come little lower than the current sales. And again, that time also Apple needs to do its profits. So again, the iPhone SE2 will increase the Apple sales. So this is very simple. But now let me come to the most exciting feature about the iPhone SE2. Yes guys, there is an exciting feature behind this iPhone. Okay, this is not just a budget friendly iPhone, but this thing is happening for first time. So guys, as the iPhone SE2 is not going to be having a secondary camera, so it is only obvious that Apple will improve the singular camera department. Yes, because like for the portrait mode, you need a dual camera setup. Okay, you need a depth sensor, you need a telephoto lens for taking portrait shots, and for portrait you can use the digital image stabilization or a digital feature for that. But I would say like a completely independent camera takes a lot better photos. So like the 3D camera might be having the ability to scan the depth of your face and in return resulting into a sharper and more detailed photograph. So I think the iPhone's camera, the iPhone SE2's camera is going to be very useful. And again, there are many leaks that the iPhone SE2 might have a TOF camera and like this, but I really don't see it coming because it is a budget friendly iPhone and it is going to be featuring a budget friendly design. So I've liked today's video. In today's video I just wanted to convey everything you need to know regarding the iPhone SE2. So I've liked today's video. If you want to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and want like this beautiful videos, then consider subscribing to our channel and also leave a comment that what are your thoughts and are you excited for this iPhone. And I'm waiting for this iPhone from a long time, and I think now the dream is coming true. So again, a huge shout out to Sir John Rettinger to come on my channel. Okay, they just made my day. Okay, just telling just a simpler sentence. Okay, just telling a simple sentence like, what's up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation. I think it means a lot to me and also I like today's video. So again, you guys, everyone knows about Sir John Rettinger, but if you are not yet subscribed, okay, in our Indian community, if you are not yet subscribed to Sir John Rettinger, then I would say then please subscribe to him because he is my mentor and I am learning a lot from him. So like today's video and I will meet you with another beautiful video.